this one kind of messes with people's minds because you look at something and you want to have something moving in the initial and something moving in the final. But let's take a look at this. So here's my badly drawn gun, and there's the little bullet, right? So this is that llama question, or whatever the heck the animal was that was jumping, where I was saying, now make sure that when it's squatting down, that you're not taking into account any kind of height difference because its feet haven't left the ground. Well, in this one, what I'm going to say is make sure that you don't try to force some sort of initial velocity here. Because what I have is this whole thing here, this is a system. This here is mass 1 plus mass 2 times V initial is going to go into, let's see, mass of the gun, V of the gun, plus mass of the bullet, V of the bullet. So what's happening is I have this force causing that bullet, that explosion of gases that's launching that bullet out. Well, in the end, I have a bullet coming this way, and if you've ever shot a gun, you feel that recoil, that kind of bounce back that it has. What you're feeling is this conservation of momentum. It's pretty cool. So let's see what's going to happen. My B of the gun is going to go that away, and the bullet is going to go, that's a bullet, and it's going that away. So that's the gun, and that's the bullet. So this thing here, that's 0. The whole thing's not moving. It starts off stationary, unless you're jerking your hand, and that has nothing to do with recoil. That's an external force, doesn't apply. So then I get 0 equals, let's see, if I say that this direction is positive, then in the end, the gun is going that way. So I have negative mass of the gun, V of the gun, plus the bullet's going that way. So mass of the bullet, V of the bullet. I know these things. Let's move this over to this side. I have mass of the gun, V of the gun equals mass of the bullet, V of the bullet. Known quantity, known quantity. We want that. We want the recoil speed. So the velocity of the gun in the end is going to be the mass of the bullet, the V of the bullet, divided by the mass of the gun, which is, let's see, let's put in our quantities. We have 0.05 kilograms times this 120 meters per second divided by the mass of the gun, which is this 5 kilograms. Let's put that into our calculators and see what we get. 0.05 times 120 divided by 5 gives me 1.2 meters per second. So the recoil velocity for the gun is 1.2 meters per second.